Hi everybody, it's your summer reading coordinator Tate here, with a craft for Dinosaur Week. So, I wasn't really a dinosaur kid, when I was younger, but I think dinosaurs are pretty cool now. So, you're gonna want to get your kit out. This is for the seniors out there. And from your kit, you're going to want to take out your sponge and your paints. You'll also need a piece of paper and some scissors. Make sure to be careful with these. Okay? So, you might also want a marker. I'm using a Sharpie. You don't need to use something so permanent. That was probably kind of pointless. Anyways, so you're going to want to draw some sort of shape, like a footprint or something. So the theme of this week is dinosaurs. So we're going to be making little dinosaur footprints, stamps, and then we'll put them in paint, and then you can make a little collage of dinosaur footprints and steps and stuff. So you're going to want to draw something. Looks however you want, really. You can be really creative with this if you want to. I'm just doing something kind of plain. It kind of almost could be a dog foot too, depending on how you look at it, but just something vaguely foot-shaped like this. Something like that. These sponges are a little thick and can get kind of hard to cut, so if you can get an adult to help you with this part, that would be cool. If you can't, just make sure to be careful. And just know that sometimes it doesn't always come out exactly how you want to, but you just kind of got to get in there and start cutting it. So, you'll cut your thing, and you're going to have a stamp that looks something like this. So this is what mine looks like. And then, make sure you roll up your sleeves if you have any, so you don't get any paint on them. I'm going to use brown, I think, because I want it to stay true kind of to like a little footprint or something, but you can use any of the colors. You could even mix them if you want. You could like pour it somewhere. I'm going to see if I can just dip it right in there. Just make sure you get paint on all of it, like that. And make sure you press down. Make sure you press all of it down, because I didn't. Mine looks a little something like that. Doesn't look too great right now. You just got to make sure you get enough paint on all of the parts there, and then you press it down so there's actually a little bit of a footprint. So there we go. It's a little funny, the bubbles and stuff, but it kind of looks like a dinosaur stepping in mud. So I feel like it kind of makes sense for the craft, don't you? I think that makes sense. If you want more of an indented where the toes would be, just make sure to cut those out a bit more. I was kind of having trouble cutting it. I guess maybe I'm not good with scissors or something. I don't know. But I kind of went for a more subtle toe like a dinosaur. But you could do whatever you want. You don't even have to do dinosaur feet if you don't want to. I mean, you could do whatever you wanted. You could just use a square and then colorful squares. Whatever you want, really. This craft is nice because you can do whatever you want with it. But also, we're using sponges, which give you that kind of textured look, which is fun when you're doing like a footprint. But if you're looking to do something more of like more accurate and probably easier to cut, you can actually use like a knife and a potato. You might want to get like help with that, obviously, because knives are sharp. But with like a potato, when I was a kid, my mom would just like draw something on a potato, and then you cut it out, and then you have a little stamp with a potato, and then you stamp it in paint, just like you're doing here, except you won't get those funky bubbles or anything. But personally, I think the bubbles look kind of cool when you're thinking about footprints and stuff. I kind of like it though. Yeah, so that's this week's craft. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a little quick, but I think it's fun. And if you have some more sponges at home, you could do it again. maybe make some different foot shapes. I'm really excited to see what kind of feet you guys make for the dinosaurs. It could look like this, but not all dinosaur feet look like this. I'm not sure any dinosaur foot looks like this, but this kind of looks like a, you know, the average like little footstep that you see. So that's your craft. I'll see you guys with another craft next week. Make sure to tune in. Don't forget to sign up for your kits. And next week is Ocean Week, so we'll have a craft for that. And I'll see you guys, all you seniors, live on Zoom on Thursday for the STEAM session. And you'll see what we're making then. But you definitely should tune in. I think it's pretty cool, and I'm excited for it. Okay, well, I'll see you guys then. Bye.